शांति।
ओम शांति।
आज सतगुरुवार के दिन आप सबकी याद लेके
On the day of the Satguru, carrying everyone's loving remembrances with myself as I reach the subtle region,
पहले से ही वतन में बच्चों का इंतजार कर
I saw that Baba was already waiting for the children.
उस समय बाबा के सामने और भी कई स्थानों से भोग लगाने के निमित्त बाबा के पास अनेक बच्चे पहुंच
A number of children had emerged bringing bhog to be offered to Baba. After a few seconds, Baba looked towards me and then said, "Child, come, what news have you brought today?" I replied, "Baba, all the beloved children are remembering you and they have sent their remembrances with great love." Baba then said, from the time of Amrit Vela, the children's remembrances have been reaching the Father.
बाबा ने अमृत वेले से ही बच्चों को अपने पास इमर्ज किया है।
Baba has emerged the children in front of him from the time of Amrit Vela. And as Baba said this, Baba emerged many sisters and brothers in front of him. And these children came and stood in front of Baba in a half-moon circle. Baba was giving each one drishti, and each one's stage appeared to be very elevated, very high. Baba then said, "The children remember the Father, they are seated in front of the Father, and they are able to stay beyond all situations and matters, and they are able to experience an elevated stage." Today, Baba is going to take the children on a tour. And as Baba said this, a Pushpak Viman appeared in front of every child. It was then open from the top, and a very beautiful stage, a very beautiful seating area was there for each Pushpak Viman. And Baba then indicated to each child to go and sit in their Pushpak Viman. And there was a button, and as soon as the child would press the button, the Pushpak Viman would take off. So it was a very beautiful stage. And on that stage, that seating area was written, a Nishchal stage, that is a stage that is uninfluenced by anything. And the button is the button of introversion. So as soon as we pressed that button, as the children were pressing the button, some were able to press it completely, some were only able to press it halfway. It was getting pressed, but not completely. And some even less than half. And for some, the button was turning around, shifting around. So as much as the button was getting pressed, the Viman, the Pushpak Viman was taking off. But there were many kinds of confusing lights coming in front of these Pushpak Vimans. One was the different forms of Maya that was not allowing the Viman to take off. It was getting stuck in between, halfway. The second light was a bit confusing, very faint light. And the third kind of light was blinking. It was blinking light, and it was affecting the vision. It was sometimes shining brightly, sometimes just switching off. So these are different kinds of lights of Maya coming in front of the Vimans. So a very strange atmosphere was being created through all of this. So even though the Pushpak Vimans had taken off, they were moving ahead and upwards. It was though they were getting stuck in between, and they were fluctuating in different storms. After a few seconds, I saw Baba giving drishti to everyone. Looking towards Baba, the children were able to stabilize themselves in their original stage and then control the Pushpak Viman. Baba then said, at the present time, children have to elevate their inner stage, keep it high, and in order to do that, pay attention that you keep the intellect nishchal, that is, uninfluenced by anything else. Different kinds of thoughts keep going around in the intellect, but such times are coming. Maya is going to come in front of the children in different ways, different forms, and then sometimes the children are not able to recognize Maya in her true form. The children also get confused in certain matters, and they're not able to stabilize their stage and keep it nishchal, clean and uninfluenced. Some children go into the expansion of certain matters and keep worrying or having thoughts about others, and then they finish off all their energy. So rather than having an elevated stage, the stage just drops. The times that are coming are going to bring many kinds of examinations that are going to strengthen the children's stage. So there will be different forms of Maya, different forms of confusion, and then thirdly, the different kind of thoughts that the children have that make our stage, the inner stage, fluctuate. So what do the children have to do now? Pay special attention to introversion. Submerge all the other kinds of thoughts and create a stage that is clean and pure and uninfluenced. The more you are introverted, you'll be able to decipher and judge and discriminate what Maya is doing, how she's coming. Because of not having this power of discrimination, the inner stage fluctuates. So keep this power of discrimination with yourself. Use this power to bring about transformation in your stage and elevate your stage. The Father is telling you that times are such that people in the world are looking for their beloved ancestor souls. They want to experience something from your ancestor souls. So make your inner stage very clean and pure, uninfluenced. Recognize the different forms of Maya and elevate your stage. Baba was giving a lot of love to the children, and then Baba said, Baba knows the children are engaged deeply in their spiritual endeavor. Baba does come from time to time to meet the children and gave them experiences. The Father also calls the children to the subtle region so that they can experience that elevated stage. Sometimes the children come under the influence of external situations and they come down from that elevated stage. But according to the time is cautioning the children as well as to how you should create a very clean and pure stage for yourself. Baba was then giving drishti to everyone. And through Baba's drishti, it was as though the children were moving upwards and reaching their stage of perfection. It was each one was in their very perfect stage. I then offered bhog to Baba. Baba gave remembrances to everyone. Om Shanti.
Today,
सतगुरु वार की याद लेकर
on the day of Sadhguru, I took the remembrance
वतन में पहुंची.
and reached the subtle region.
आज अमृत बेली से ही
Since Amrit Vela,
बाबा को याद दी और संकल्प बाबा को दिया.
I gave the remembrance to Baba since Amrit Vela,
दादी और चंद्रमणि दादी के निमित्त
especially
भोग लेकर के
Bhog was on behalf of
वतन में पहुंची.
Pardadi, Nirmal Shanti Dadi and
वतन में पहुंची.
And as soon as I reached the subtle region, Chandramani Dadi, the Bhog was on behalf of Nirmal Shanti Dadi and Chandramani Dadi. So when I reached the subtle region, I saw that
वतन में
Baba had emerged both the Dadis in the subtle region.
फिर एकदम से जानकी दादी भी बीच में पहुंच जाती.
And in between, Janki Dadi too
फिर एकदम
emerged.
गुलजार दादी भी
And then later, Gulzar Dadi too emerged in the subtle region.
बीच में भी
In between.
पहुंच जाते हैं.
So they reached in between these Dadis.
बाबा कहने लगे,
Baba said,
इन बच्चियों ने
these children,
विशेष
especially
मार्च मास चुना.
has chosen the month of March.
तो बाबा भी ये देख रहे हैं.
So Baba was also saying,
इन बच्चियों का आपस में जब साकार में थे तब भी
when these children, Dadis were in
बहुत ही
Sakar,
गहरी प्यार था.
they had so much intense love for each
और
other.
बहुत ही आपस में स्नेह से एक मत होकर
And
एकजुट होकर
they were
ये दादियाँ
doing everything together by respecting each other's
बाबा ने कहा जिगरी प्यार की निशानी.
directions. So Baba said the indication sign of intense love, Baba showed that in the Pandav Bhavan,
इन बच्चियों का, इन दादियों का रहने का स्थान
the
भी
place where these Dadis would stay,
इंद्रप्रस्थ
the
में
place was, rooms were together
दादी
nearby.
का भी कमरा,
In Indraprasth,
चंद्रमणि दादी का भी कमरा,
the room of Janki
दादी का
Dadi,
भी कमरा.
Chandramani Dadi and Pardadi was together, and also Gulzar Dadi's room
सामने खिड़की में था.
was near
तो
the
बाबा ने
window.
कहा कि
Baba
सामने
said,
वाली खिड़की में कौन रहता था.
Baba asked that who stays
ये
in
बच्ची
the
रहती थी. गुलजार
room
दादी के लिए कहा.
nearby.
तो
So Baba said it's Gulzar Dadi's room.
करते
Baba immersed the scene
बाबा ने कहा कि
and
देखो
told all the Dadis that,
इतना इनका आपस में प्यार था
see, there's so much love
जैसे
amongst
कहते ना
each
साथ
Dadis.
जिएंगे, साथ
It's said
मरेंगे.
that we'll live together, we'll die together.
बाबा ने कहा कि इन
Baba
बच्चों
said,
ने
these children,
सचमुच में बाबा भी देख रहे हैं.
Baba was also saying how these Dadis
दिल की प्रतिज्ञा की,
had intense, firm determination and has promised that they lived
और एक
together,
साथ ही खाते थे,
they would eat
और
together,
एक साथ ही मार्च मास में
and
इन दादियों ने
they took the same month of
बाबा
March
के ऊपर समर्पित किया.
to dedicate themselves to Baba. Baba said that according to the world, March is considered as the ending month, end of the year. So the children's effort, Baba was saying the children's effort, and Baba was also happy that according to the time, these children has made their fortune and also has done a lot of effort to take a position in the 8 jewels place. And Baba was happy. Baba said where Baba and Mama is there and these daddies were together, what would the nature of that gathering be? Baba in the subtle region was with these daddies, and Baba Mama was also together, and daddies too were sitting nearby. Baba said, in the Sakar, when these daddies were together, everyone would be happy. So Baba too in the subtle region was seeing these daddies, was seeing these advanced party, and Baba was also becoming very happy. And these daddies too were really happy meeting each other. It was as if the subtle region, Daddy was in so much love with each other, and deep inside they were having a deep conversation. And I asked Baba, what are daddies telling amongst themselves? So Baba said, you ask daddies what they are doing amongst themselves. I said, Baba, I am really young. Baba said, no child, these daddies, how they were in the Sakar and how they become happy by seeing one another in the subtle region. All of them are together in the subtle region. So they are really happy and considering themselves as fortunate and looking at each other and said, you also have reached, you also have reached. Because especially Gulzar Dadi, Janki Dadi has also reached the subtle region. So this gathering of daddies was really beautiful. So in the mind I was also getting these thoughts that daddies have left us. So I offered bhog and kept the bhog thali in front of Baba. With so much love, Baba emerged daddies, and the bhog that is offered from Shantivan, Baba offered the bhog to daddies, and daddies was really happy inside by seeing, after seeing the bhog that came from Madhuban, and they were happy that Baba emerged daddies and is offering the bhog that came from Madhuban. Baba, Mama and all the daddies gave wonderful, lovely remembrances to all of them. Then I came back here. Om Shanti.